A very warm and hearty good morning to everybody. Children, I hope you are doing great and safe at home. Children, today I will start Unit 19 from your English grammar book, that is present and past perfect tense. This is part 1 of this chapter, and today I will be dealing with present perfect tense. Children, in this unit, you will learn the format of present tense and how to use present and past perfect tense. You already know that there are three types of tenses. The first is present tense, second is past tense, and the third is future tense. ये आप लोग को already पता है, आप लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके हो. And these tenses are further divided into four subdivisions. There are four subdivisions of each of the tense. जैसे कि present का simple present, present continuous, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. तो उसी तरह से पास्ट का भी होता है एंड फ्यूचर का भी होता है. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद द थर्ड सब कैटेगरी ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस, दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. You are already aware and you have already studied about simple present and present continuous. So today I'll explain present perfect tense. Children, present perfect tense is a tense that shows an action that has just happened. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एक वैसा टेंस है जो बताता है, वैसे एक्शंस के बारे में बताता है जो अभी तुरंत हुआ है या तुरंत अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू शो एन एक्शन दैट हैज़ जस्ट बीन कंप्लीटेड. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस वैसे एक्शंस के बारे में बताता है जो अभी तुरंत कंप्लीट हुआ है, बिल्कुल तुरंत, बिल्कुल रिसेंटली कंप्लीट हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रीना हैज़ जस्ट फिनिश्ड हर फूड. रीना ने अभी तुरंत अपना फूड फिनिश किया है. ही हैज़ जस्ट रिटर्न फ्रॉम जिम. उसने अभी तुरंत जिम से वो रिटर्न हुआ है. द बेबी हैज़ स्पिल्ड द होल मिल्क. बेबी ने पूरा मिल्क गिरा दिया. वी हैव सीन दिस मूवी. आई हैव नॉट येट फिनिश्ड माई टास्क. तो it denotes an action that has just been completed. Children, there is a very important point. We use has or have and past participle form, which is also called as the third form of the verb in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense का मतलब तो आप लोग को समझ में आ गया. What is the meaning of present perfect? Now ये इसका structure क्या होता है, how we frame a sentence of present perfect. उसके लिए we use has और have. हम लोग has और have use करते हैं. आप लोगों ने हैज़ एंड हैव का यूसेज भी पढ़ा है कि हम लोग कहाँ पे हैज़ हैव यूज़ करते हैं, वो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. वी यूज़ द थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, अब ये हैज़ और हैव हम लोग कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं. लेट मी जस्ट रिवाइज. वेयर डू वी यूज़ हैज़ एंड वेयर डू वी यूज़ हैव. चिल्ड्रन, वी यूज़ हैज़ विथ सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस. सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस के लिए हम लोग हैज़ का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज़, शी हैज़, जो भी सिंगुलर चीज़ है, रीता हैज़, श्याम हैज़, जो भी सिंगुलर रहेगा विद दैट वी यूज़ हैज़. एंड वी यूज़ हैव विद प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ प्लूरल नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस. हम लोग प्लूरल नाउन या प्रोनाउन के लिए हैव यूज़ करते हैं, प्लूरल नाउन और प्रोनाउन के लिए एंड आई यू के लिए. सपोज आई हैव, दे हैव, वी हैव, children have. Children तो plural है, so with plural we use have. Just remember that with singular we use has, and with plural and I, you, we use have, plus the third form of the verb in order to frame a sentence of present perfect tense. Okay, now let's see the first exercise. Children, these points are very important, and if these points are clear, then you can easily solve the chapter. It is very simple, but please remember the points, they are very important. Okay, let's proceed with the first question. Fill in the blanks with the past participle form of the given verbs. यहाँ पे कुछ verbs दिए हुए हैं and you have to fill these blanks. Okay, first, she has. यहाँ पे आपको has have use नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे आपको बस third form use करना है, that is past participle. She has dashed to the Mughal gardens. Go. What is the third form of go? Go, went, gone. Gone is the third form, so she has gone to the Mughal gardens. Well, I have to write go ka gone. Next, I have I have dashed my books. Lose. What is the third form? Lost. I have lost my books. I have lost my books. Next, the teacher has already dashed this topic. Explain. The explain will change into explained. Fourth, you have dashed the newspaper. Read. चिल्ड्रन रेड का हम लोग तीनों फॉर्म में रेड ही प्रोनाउंस हम लोग रीड करते हैं, बट उस प्रोनाउंसिएशन में डिफरेंस आता है, बट स्पेलिंग में देर इज़ नो चेंज. तो रीड, रेड, रेड, स्पेलिंग इज द सेम, READ. So you have read the newspaper. Next, we have dashed an invitation card. Make. We have made an invitation card. 6. The police have dashed many burglars. Arrest. Arrest का arrested. 7th, he has dashed the gold medal. Win. What is the third form of win? Won. He has won the gold medal. 8th, Samarth has dashed a patriotic song for the formative assessment. Memorize. Memorize मतलब याद करना. Memorize will change into memorized. ED. 9th, we have dashed many saplings in our locality. Planted. 10th, has he ever dashed in sports activities? Participate. So third form of participate will be participated. 11th, why have you dashed my drawing file? Take. Taken. Why have you taken? The third form of take is taken, not took. Took is the second form. Take, took, taken. 12th, people have not yet dashed for the meeting. Assemble. Assemble मतलब इकट्ठा होना. People have not yet assembled, ED, for the meeting. Okay, I hope the first question is clear. Now let's move to the second one. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of the given verbs. You have to fill up the blanks with the present perfect form, and you have to use has and have. आपको खुद से has और have use करना है जहाँ पे necessary होगा, as per the rule. First, the train dash not yet dash at the platform. अब क्या होगा, यहाँ has होगा या have होगा. Train is singular, and with singular I told we use has. So the train, I think I have to write, the train has not yet arrived का क्या हो जाएगा, arrived. आपको यहाँ ED ऐड करना, आप लोग यहाँ पूरा लिखोगे. I don't have space, that is why I am writing like this. Next, question number 2. We dash just dash from the market. We have returned या we has returned. We plural है, plural के साथ what do we use? We use have. So we have just returned from the market. Third, I dash some comics for you. I has होगा या I have होगा? I have brought some comics for you. Bring का brought. Fourth, they dash a new car. They have they have bought होगा या they has bought? Plural है, and with plural we use have. So they have bought a new car. Buy हो जाएगा bought. Next, fifth, why dash you dash the tickets? Why you है, you के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? This is a question form. ये question के form में है. But यहाँ पे you है, तो you के साथ what do we use? We use have. So why have you cancelled the tickets? Next, question number 6. He dash hundreds of stamps. He has collected hundreds of stamps. Has collected because it is singular. Next, dash you ever dash to Switzerland. You के साथ क्या लगेगा? Have. So have you ever been to Switzerland? B का क्या हो जाएगा? Been. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा have. Okay, next question. It dash for 3 days. It है, it is singular or plural. It means we are talking about a particular thing, singular thing है. So it has not rained for 3 days. It has not rained for 3 days. Next, 9th, the monitor dashed the class. The monitor has controlled the class. 10th, the customer dash to our terms and conditions. The customer has agreed to our terms and conditions. Customer, एक customer के बारे में बात हो रही है. Next, I dashed this film before. I have not seen. See will turn into seen. 12. Dash you dash all your exams. You have, with you what do we use? Have. So have you taken all your exams? Take will change into taken. So I hope question number 1 and question number 2 are clear to you people. So this was the this is the first part, and I'll explain past perfect tense in my next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, eat green vegetables, and study hard. Thank you so much.